Your race car deserves more than just transportation, it deserves protection. Introducing the all-new 2026 Legend 8.5 by 28 HD Trail Master Race Car Hauler. Built with an all-aluminum construction and finished in sleek black, this trailer combines lightweight performance with professional-level durability and style. Whether you're hauling race cars, show cars, drag cars, classics, or performance vehicles, the Trailmaster is engineered to protect your investment every mile of the journey. With an upgraded 84-inch interior height, finished interior walls, vinyl ceiling, and nearly 28 feet of cargo space, you'll have plenty of room for your vehicle, tools, tires, and equipment. The extra-wide rear ramp door and deluxe flip-up escape door with removable fender box make loading and exiting your vehicle easier than ever, especially for low-clearance race cars. Enjoy overhead cabinetry, LED dome lighting, rear loading lights, a 110-volt power package, battery system, electric jack, spare tire, and multiple heavy-duty D-rings for secure transport. Dual 7,000-pound torsion axles, spread axle design, aluminum wheels, and nearly 10,000 pounds of payload capacity deliver smooth towing and dependable performance. The seamless aluminum roof, bonded screwless exterior, lifetime structural warranty, and 25-year roof warranty provide long-term peace of mind. The 2026 Legend Trail Master Race Car Hauler is available now. Contact us today for pricing, financing options, and availability before this premium trailer is sold.